Let me show you how to change your Facebook profile to digital creator. Now, if you're on either the Facebook app or facebook.com and you wanted it to say digital creator right under your profile, keep in mind to be able to do this, we first need to enable professional mode and then enable digital creator. So to do that, if you're on the Facebook app or facebook.com, we're going to get to your profile. So you can tap on profile here at the very bottom, or at the top left, tap on that profile button. And now you'll be able to see at the top right are those three dots. Just tap on those. Now you can see here is professional mode. Let's turn this on. Keep in mind, this is completely free for anyone to use. It gives you added features like analytics and stuff like that. Now let's hit turn on and then go through the steps. You can just hit next and then next. And it says choose your default audience. You can choose public, or in my case, I'm just going to keep it as just friends and hit confirm. Now it'll walk you through monetization tools and you can just keep going through these. You don't necessarily need to change any of these, and you can hit skip and then go to professional dashboard. Now, after we've done that, we've enabled the professional mode. Now we need to change the profile to a digital creator. So to do that, let's go back one. And then again, go to your profile by tapping on it at the top left. And now you'll be able to see it looks a bit different. And you might see right around here that it'll say digital creator after I refresh it. If it doesn't say that, tap on the pencil icon next to those three dots. And now you can see under category, you can tap on the pencil again, and it will show digital creator or something like that. If you don't see it already on there, you can just search for digital, and then there it is, digital creator, and then hit done. Now keep in mind, after you go through this process and add it as a digital creator, when you go back, you can tap on those three dots and then view as, and this will look basically like what your profile looks like to anyone else. And there you can see is a digital creator. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.